I love you.
Are you gonna leave?
No.
Everybody always leaves.
I won't.
Look, I don't know what is growing right now. Have no idea. What I can tell you is that every time I step outside right now, I start sneezing over and over and over and over again, to the point that my ears are itchy on the inside. My nose hurts. My throat hurts from sneezing and like, you know, making the awful noise and the coughing and sneezing and everything. I don't know what it is, but I don't like it. My eyeballs are itching. I can't even wear my contacts all the time. I have to wear my fishbowl glasses. Anyways, not a fan. So, if somebody could tell me what's growing right now, that would be amazing. Because apparently, I'm not a fan. So, anyways, y'all have a good night. And hopefully y'all aren't doing like I'm doing. Anyways, be good. Okay. I just took the dogs outside. That was one. Maybe that's it. Maybe. Seriously, every time I take my phone out now to record myself sneezing, it's like I just stop. So that's all I needed to do to stop sneezing is record myself. Who knew, right? I'm trying to get y'all a video, but we'll see what happens. Y'all be good. My teeth just hit together. I got my grass cut today. Good. That's it. I got the yard cut today and my ears are itchy again. I'm sneezing so much my throat hurts. Not a fan. See, just went back outside again because I had to move the furniture back around from getting the yard cut. Yeah, this is it, guys. This is what I've been dealing with. I thought I spit on myself. No, that's tissue. But it doesn't matter. Anyways, there you go.